Hi everyone, it's Wendy. I got another Annie's kit for some reason. This is from Annie's. I'm not sure why. I know it came in Monday? No. Yeah, Monday, I think. Wednesday, Tuesday? No, it came in Saturday. That's right. So let's see what I slid it open. But let's see what it is. Ooh, that's pretty. You know what? This is the Creative Woman's Kit shipment. Okay. And it's December's. Okay. That's my resolution for the new year. Is to be more up and proactive on these kits, these different kits I'm getting. I do have a new one that came in. That's going to be my next video that I filmed. So, and all the description, all the information regarding the Annie's Creative Woman kits, where you can go and find them and see what the pricing is and everything, will be down in the description box below. So this is making farmhouse napkin rings and garland. And what is neat about this is not just for winter. So you've got your kit here, and they got everything packaged together, including the napkins, which I think is nice. But if you wanted to make more than one of these, you can see what the tools are and go out and buy your own. Okay, so we got, whoops, that's open. We got wooden beads. These are wooden pony beads. Not sure how big these are. If I had to guess, I would say they're about they're the half-inch wooden pony beads that you can paint. Now you can find other pony beads that are already painted in that, but these ones are wood ones, and I think because they're doing a farmhouse theme, wood is more rustic. Okay. So you got the Twine, and you can buy this. I know this. Walmart, the big box stores like Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby, Ben Franklin, if you have it there. By the way, Ben Franklin is still online. I know that because I ordered yarn from them and they sent it to me. I love Ben Franklin's crafts. And you know, you don't want the real thick, and the twine can vary. This is not like the twine when I was a kid and we grew up on the farm and we used for baling hay. That was very yellow and it was very rough. This is a lot smoother. It does have some thickness, you know, thin and thick spots. So you hear my dog in the background. Apparently somebody's walking on the sidewalk or out in the street. We don't have sidewalks. They're walking in the street. You have your paint, which is probably considered a country blue. And you have your napkins, and I think there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's 4 of them. Very pretty check. And the thing is, if you want to really be crafty, you can make your own napkins by just getting whatever fabric you want to make them out of and doing a simple hem on them. Make sure you're able to sew a straight line. I still have issues with that after 50 years. Okay, so you have some skewers and a paint, 2 sets of skewers and 2 paint brushes. There's some sandpaper in here and just a piece of cardboard. So we put that all back in there and look at the directions. Oh, my cat Mittens may visit. She's a little upset with us because we had a plumber come out to look at an issue, and when we have someone come out, we stick both the animals in the bedroom, in the master bedroom. And she doesn't like that too much. So she was hiding under the bed, and I'd take it and lean over the bed and poke down, and she looked horrifying. She looks evil. So I just said, okay, honey, don't worry. It won't be much longer. It wasn't. They were only in the bedroom for maybe a couple hours. And I was in there with them, so. They talk about painting the beads. They talk about sanding them. You paint them on a skewer, which I think is neat. Because when you look at the directions here, you see how they have them on the skewer, and you paint them on the skewer. And that way you can let them dry. You don't have to worry about laying them down on something. And by doing them on the skewer is really a neat trick, I think. So you apply paint. They say let dry. They suggest lightly staining for a little rustic look. You want kind of a weathered look. If you've ever seen weathered wood, you know, you can do kind of that. One technique to do that is to lay down a layer of say a color like this blue, and then you dry brush on white. And by dry brushing, I mean you just barely touch it in. So you can do that. You can also take and you know, cover it with the base color, say like the blue. Put the white on and do some sanding just down through that light. So there's several ways to get kind of a weathered wood look. You can do brown on the bottom. They say form the beaded rings, 18 inches of twine. You put 12 beads on each one. They suggest wrapping transparent tape around the end of the twine, which is an excellent suggestion. Another suggestion is to use clear nail polish. The only thing is you gotta wait for that to dry. So you form the ring by threading one end of the twine back through the last bead in the opposite direction. And basically what this does is it helps create the ring that you're looking for. You leave about 5 inches on each end, remove the tape, then you make tassels, and that's what you can use the cardboard for. Use a 4x4 piece of cardboard. Their suggestion here is to begin and end the twine at the bottom of the cardboard. I can tell you that is very, very true. Because if you start it and end it at the same end, you don't end up with two little short pieces. You take one end of the beaded ring and you actually use the ends that are left from the beaded ring to help make your tassel. And they talk all about that. So you do 4 tassels, and then you use the rest of the beaded. So if you're using 12 or 8 beads, that's 32. So there should be about 84 beads in the package. And then you can make your little garland. And I mean, that'd be cute. Like they have it here as a centerpiece, you know, have a couple candles, wrap the garland kind of around it. That'd be pretty. So this is from Annie's, one of Creative Woman Kit of the Month Club. So very pretty. That's one I like, and it's a great idea. So, and again, all the information you need regarding price and a link to the website will be down in the description box below. Okay, we'll see you in the next one.